I'm Sam from Sparesbox and we're here on Fraser Island with the full drive action crew. And there's a couple of things you always want to bring with you when you go full driving or camping. You know, spare oil, coolant, sure, they're all needed. But something that a lot of people overlook are belts and hoses. Now I've personally had them fail on my 80 series before and they've left me in a real pickle. Here on Andy's Prado, it's a fairly new car, so the chances are unlikely, but it's always important to have a contingency plan. Now, Gates make it even easier than ever before to have all your belts and hoses ready to go with their 4x4 emergency kit. Now, this is going to have all your hoses for your radiator, your auxiliary belts, even hose clamps for the hoses. It's absolutely awesome. It's a holistic kit, and it's going to get you out of trouble when you really need it. So, what does Andy's Prado's kit have? Well, you're going to have your belt. Now this is going to be running your power steering, your air conditioning, your alternator. This is vital. If this went on this and we didn't have a spare, it'd be game over and you'd be towing this bad boy out of here. What else? You might get a radiator leak out of one of the hoses. Sometimes it can snap, sometimes they can just be old and weathered. Sometimes they can just have a tiny pinprick hole and it can be enough to cause a pretty big problem. So we've got the hoses, we've got your hoses. And also, more importantly, is hose clamps. Now, if you've ever been wrenching down on a hose clamp and you've felt that terrible feeling of where it slips and gives go, that's what this is avoiding. You're going to be able to replace all your hose clamps, your hoses, and your belts. The Gates make it even easier with their 4x4 emergency auxiliary belt and hose kit.